Watch original photos and videos related to this news by clicking on the link given in the description below the article courtesy. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Listen News here. If you like the video, please like, comment and share the video. Following the release of the 16-inch MacBook Pro in late 2019, Apple was praised for the larger screen, the increased performance, and the improved keyboard. It is widely expected that an update to the 13-inch MacBook Pro will pick up these changes, but does Apple have something more radical for the macOS-powered laptops? The details on the improved keyboard can be found in a recently published patent. Titled Auxiliary Text Display Integrated into a Keyboard Device, it talks about the implementation of a secondary display that renders contextual information based on information on a main computer display and inputs received from an input device such as a set of keys, mouse, or trackpad. This comes very close to sounding like the Touch Bar, which was introduced to the 4th generation MacBook Pro range in October 2017. Looking through the paperwork, you'll find an illustration of what would become the Touch Bar. But the patent also illustrated another fascinating concept, using the trackpad as the secondary display. This would turn the trackpad from an input-only device that controls the mouse and certain functions through multi-touch gestures, into a device that offers contextual feed and can accept inputs that would be difficult to show on a keyboard. The patent illustrates this with a spelling correction and 3 words that appear along the bottom of the trackpad for the user to select. As Apple continues to push macOS towards the tablet focus of iPadOS, the lack of a touchscreen becomes a larger stumbling block. While the mouse pointer is used to replicate a finger in some cases, it has limitations when the focus is on touch-based applications, a situation that will become more pronounced as Mac Catalyst brings more iPad apps to the Mac. Adding a touchscreen element under a user's fingers would allow for a more flexible user interface to work alongside Catalyst and native apps. With last year's 16-inch MacBook Pro, Apple replaced the troublesome butterfly keyboard with a return to a scissor switch-style design called the Magic Keyboard. Hopefully that keyboard is going to make an appearance on any updates to the smaller 13-inch MacBook Pro. Given that Tim Cook and his team should consider expanding the Touch Bar mechanic to the trackpad. If Apple is going to rework the MacBook's hardware and keyboard design, it makes sense to wait before you buy a new machine.